What's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in for another episode with Brushstrokes. Just another quick little video of some tumblers that I did for a customer. I did not know this customer, so I did want to do a design in the computer first. That's what I came up with. She wanted the Lovenick Farms on there, and then she wanted a case red tractor, hot rod style. So as you can see, I kind of fattened out the back tire there, kind of lengthened it a little bit, and raked the whole thing as well. So gave it a cool little hot rod effect to it. And as you can see, I did do black candy first, and then I peeled it away, and then I did the red candy blood red over the black too. It gave it a really cool effect. As you can see here, it looks really black. Back in that other little clip that I did, you could see the red really come through that black as well, like a murdered out candy red, which was a really cool effect that I want to use in the future. So, but yeah, that's just another quick video today. If you enjoy, I hope you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notifications. And until next time, keep those brushes stroking.